Okay, in this video, I just wanted to do a quick little video of an eyebrow and eyelash serum that I was mixing up. So right here, I'm mixing up the eyebrow serum, which is basically a little castor oil and aloe vera gel. And I'm just whipping it up right here with my little hand mixer because it makes it easier to mix that up. And just did a little bit because I just was going to fill up just those three little tubes. So basically, I used 2 teaspoons of each one of the castor oil and 2 teaspoons of the aloe vera gel. And that's a little jasmine flower that I'm putting in it because jasmine also has actual a lot of good qualities about it, and it's good for growth. So I'm going to add one of those in the little tube, and I'm going to start to fill it up with the serum. And right here, I noticed it was a big mistake to use the funnel, but I thought that it would make it go a little faster. But I didn't actually judge how thick it was when I decided to use the little funnel. But here I'm noticing that whenever I pull the funnel up and it gets like a little air in it, it actually helps the mixture to go down. So I decided, in my infinite wisdom, I'm going to try and pour it in without the funnel. Major fail, but rest assured, I went back to the funnel. And of course, I was tired, it was late, and I just decided, let me go ahead and make this video and get this done. And I didn't even for a minute think to go ahead and use a syringe and fill the tubes with a syringe. So here I am, waiting as it does a slow drip into the tube. But it is a little aesthetically pleasing to watch the drip, drip, drip. And here I am trying to knock it so I can make it go faster, hurry up. Yeah, I'm impatient. I'm that person that when I'm trying to do something on the computer, I'm click, 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 clicking, pressing the button, to make it go faster. Or if I have the remote, I'm fast forwarding through everything when I'm looking at television because I don't like to watch the commercials, so I fast forward through everything. I'm a clicker. So, of course, I'm always in a hurry to do something. And here I'm going to go ahead and put the stopper in. And I made sure not to fill it up too far because if I did that, then it would cause the stopper to shoot up into the stem of the wand. And that would just be another mess because then you can't get it to go back down into the tube without trying to take some out, which is actually a pain to try and remove some. So just don't fill it too much. And here it is. The end product. Very easy, very simple. And then here I'm going ahead and I'm putting the flowers into some more tubes because now I've already mixed it up off camera, but I made the eyelash serum also. So I'm going to go ahead and with the eyelash serum, it's a mixture of the, let's see, it's a mixture of the castor oil, a little jojoba oil. I used 3 teaspoons of each to fill those three up. So it was 3 teaspoons of castor oil, 3 teaspoons of jojoba oil, and I also added about 5 drops of 5 drops of the lavender to scent it. It smells amazing. And that was it. Oh, and also I put about 10 drops of argan oil in it also. And of course, this is a little thinner, so this one didn't give me any problems using the funnels in it. And that's about how much you want to fill them up. This one I noticed it was a little low, so I went ahead and poured a little bit more in it. But that's about as high as you want to fill each tube, or else you'll be sorry. And I'm going to go ahead and put the stoppers in it, and we're done. It's just that simple, just that easy. Okay, here we are. We have one less stopper to go, and I'll show you what it looks like once I get the top on it. But basically, you'll use this every night after you do your nightly facial routine, which is washing and drying your face, and you would add this to your eyelashes just as if you're adding your mascara, and go to bed. Okay, I'd like to thank you for joining me for this quick little video. Just wanted to add something to you guys' timeline, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.